If your Firefox browser is feeling slow, glitchy, or not loading pages the way it should on Windows 11, clearing the cache is one of the quickest fixes you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to empty the cache in Mozilla Firefox step by step, so you can refresh your browser without deleting everything else. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows 11 computer. You can do this from the Start menu, the taskbar, or by searching for Firefox in the search bar. Once the browser is open, look to the upper right corner of the window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. When the menu opens, choose Settings. This will take you into Firefox's main settings area, where you can control privacy, security, and browsing data. On the left-hand side, click Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps the tools for clearing stored data and managing your browser protection settings. Now scroll until you find the Browsing Data section. In this area, you'll see options for removing saved information from your browser. Click Clear Browsing Data. A small window will appear with several checkboxes, and this is where you need to be careful. To empty only the cache, tick Temporary Cached Files and Pages. Make sure the other options are unticked if you only want to clear the cached files and not remove things like cookies, browsing history, or saved logins. This is important if you want to stay signed into websites and keep your other browser data intact. Once only the cached files option is selected, click Clear. Firefox will now remove the stored temporary files that may have been causing loading issues or displaying outdated content. After a few moments, the cache will be cleared, and your browser should be running a little cleaner and fresher. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully emptied the cache in Mozilla Firefox on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful Windows tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Firefox tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.